Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone, wherever you are. It's great to have you all here for today's session, Conversational AI Unleashed. My name is Mohammed Sleek, and I'm the COO of Unifonic. As part of my role, I've had the privilege of seeing firsthand how AI is fundamentally reshaping customer engagement. I can tell you AI is no longer an experimental add-on. With the discussions that we have with many of our customers today, it's becoming really the foundation of how organizations connect with their customers. Across multiple industries, we see a shift from transactional interactions to deep, dynamic, intelligent conversations that drive deeper and deeper relationships with consumers. The brands that embrace AI and omni-channel strategy are the ones that set themselves apart and differentiate themselves amongst competition. At Unifonic, we help organizations embrace an omni-channel strategy and move into the next generation of customer engagement experience. In our webinar today, we aim to empower you with some practical guidance on how to embrace AI to transform customer engagement. So today we will cover a few topics that we thought that are very important for a lot of the enterprises that we talk to on a daily basis. One, we will talk about consumer insights and the imperatives needed to effectively meet and exceed customer expectations in 2025, or at Unifonic, what we call a wow customer experience. We will also unveil our AI vision and how we think about AI and showcase our capabilities that we released in 2024, things that we've been cooking for the last year, and to help you understand how to make conversational solutions a cornerstone of your marketing and customer experience strategy in 2025. Before we start, I'd like to deliver a few key messages before I hand over to the team. Customer engagement isn't a linear process. There's no start and an end to a journey. It's an infinite loop. Consumers today expect seamless end-to-end experiences across all the channels, whether it is voice, chat, messaging, or social. They don't think in terms of platforms. They don't think in terms of channels. Consumers expect brands to simply be there, ready to understand and respond intelligently wherever you are and wherever they engage. But here's the challenge. Before we can truly transform how we engage, we need absolute clarity on what customers expect. Without that, even the most advanced AI solutions risk being underutilized. The key is to focus your efforts on value-driving initiatives, ones that enhance customer experience across the entire journey, not only one aspect of the journey. With that in mind, we recently commissioned a comprehensive research study in the region to better understand consumer expectations across the buying journey and as it relates to key technologies that influence customer experience. The research study delves into the consumer views and behaviors of over 1,000 business professionals in KSA and the UAE, spanning key industries that we typically deal with, such as the retail industry, e-commerce, banking and finance, healthcare, government, and transport and logistics. The study examines how consumers perceive brands, making purchase decisions, prefer to engage with brands, view data use, utilize digital payments, and view AI and chatbots. While the full report is available on our website, but today I'd like to highlight just a few of the trends that we think are very important in 2025 onwards. The first one is hyper-personalization. Our findings showed that 80% of consumers expect brands to prioritize personalization, customer experience, and after-sales support in 2025. And they are willing to share personal information if the data would be used to improve customer service and provide more relevant offers. So deep customer insights will lay the foundation for more personalized, effective, and intelligent customer lifecycle and relationship management processes, from marketing all the way to customer support and loyalty use cases. Secondly, conversational channels dominate, with WhatsApp preferred by 2/3 of the majority over traditional channels like SMS and email. The popularity of conversational and social channels like Instagram or WhatsApp now opens the door to social commerce, offering businesses the means to sell their products through social interactions on social platforms. Lastly, AI-driven customer support. 92% of consumers believe that AI chatbots play a crucial role in providing 24/7 support. However, almost two-thirds still prefer human interactions, and while 3 out of 5 believe they will get the answer they are looking for from chatbots, the partial mistrust is evidenced the more need for sophisticated chatbot experiences. As AI capabilities and models continue to mature, chatbot technologies stand to advance as a key enabler for virtual engagement and automation across the customer journey. And with the convergence of these three trends, conversational channels, or what we call at Unifonic modern channels like WhatsApp and others, AI-powered intelligence and contextual personalization, that we can drive value and achieve a truly connected end-to-end customer experience. And this is where our solutions comes in. As a single AI platform for every conversation, we use conversational AI technology to streamline omni-channel communication and revolutionize customer experiences for businesses, from marketing all the way to customer support. Unifonic's AI-powered and low-code solutions empower organizations to manage and automate all their customer communication channels, including text, voice, WhatsApp, and web, from a single platform. This helps businesses to create stronger customer relationships while minimizing communication infrastructure costs. Today, the Unifonic team will take you deeper into what it takes to bring conversational AI into life, how to harness AI to drive meaningful engagement, optimize operations, and create frictionless experiences at scale. This is way more than just about automation. It's about true transformation. It starts with understanding the customer, embracing an omnichannel mindset, and using AI not to just react, but anticipate, personalize, and elevate every interaction.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Allow me first to introduce myself. I'm Karim Zaki, Unifonic Chief Product and Technology Officer, and today I'll be walking you through our journey transforming from a programmable telco to focus more on SaaS services and more, which we'll be covering. And then we'll be moving to our focus on what are the focus for our products for 2025. So we started in the era earlier in the 2020s on the era of the APIs and the cloud, and leveraging the strengths of the APIs and the cloud offering. We tended to focus on how can we scale a more reliable service for utilizing communication channels, starting with SMS and making it available to a lot of enterprises, and then covering other telco channels like the voice. And then with the rise of chat apps, we were pioneers in adopting and offering WhatsApp connectivity to our customers. And then with the rise of the chat apps like the WhatsApp and the Messenger, we found the need for more SaaS tools. Earlier, for the SMS, it was the product by itself. It used to take some sort of communication and deliver that message to the end user. But with the WhatsApp, it's more engaging. It requires both parties to engage in a conversation to get the value out of it. And we've seen that there is a need for tools like an agent console to enable agents or support representatives to communicate with the customers, chatbots to automate the responses and avail some of the services for the customers around the clock, not only within the window of the business hours. And other tools like the campaigning tool that would help enterprises to reach millions of users in just minutes. And lastly is the customer journey building tool, which we refer to as a Flow Studio, which is a low-code to no-code type of tool to orchestrate and automate most of the customer journey touchpoints. Moving to 2024 and 2025, it was more about personalization and introducing our AI services with a focus on customer care and marketing automation, which we believe that they both represent more than 90% of any business customer journey. And moving towards 2025, we will continue to advance our SaaS offering and to enable more interesting features for our customers. But we tend to focus more on the AI landscape with all the trends and values that we can get out of the AI services. We focus on two fronts, on the conversation intelligence and on the marketing automation front. And two subdomains for each of these focus areas. On the customer care or the conversational AI, we have our virtual agents and chatbots, which can automate the conversations for the customers and adding enrichments like the sentiment analysis, topic grouping, and much more. And the other area is related to co-piloting and assisting agents to make their life easier and to make them more productive. On the other front, for the marketing automation, we're focusing on two subdomains. First is targeting and recommendations, whether that be auto segmentations or providing recommendations and advice for the marketeers or for the end user on the best offering for them, and along with the personalization that is required in such engagement. And the other part is around analysis and insights in general, but more with focus on predictive insights. What do we can do, and knowing that that's the trends or that's the actions that we predict that these set of users would take, and also focusing on the ROI part of the campaigns and the marketing activities that you do over the platform. With that, I conclude, and thank you everyone for having us today. And we move to the next part of our presentation. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Hemant. I'm the product marketing manager at Unifonic. I'll be giving you a walkthrough of the latest feature releases that we've done for our conversation marketing solution. Over the last few months, we've invested in developing solutions that solves problems for marketeers. We've spoken to a lot of marketeers across multiple verticals, across different geographies, and we realized there are some specific problems that all of them face. Let's quickly have a look at those challenges. Challenge number one, generating first-party data. With major browsers committing to deprecating third-party cookies and also the increasing scrutiny around data security and privacy laws, generating first-party data is really important for organizations. It's very important for them to have a very strong first-party data strategy. Number two, converting high-intent leads to customers. A lot of organizations struggle when it comes to enabling the real-time assistance and real-time conversion mechanism for customers. Third point, maximizing ROI on digital ad spends. We see a lot of organizations invest in digital marketing, in paid ads specifically, on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. While these are great mediums to generate awareness and demand, not all the organizations are able to effectively leverage these mediums and optimize their spend on the marketing ads. Some of them are not even able to attribute conversions to identify the impact that these ads are creating. Number four, measuring success of campaigns. We've seen WhatsApp is being widely adopted as one of the channels for marketing. Brands from retail organization, e-commerce, and other different verticals as well are leveraging WhatsApp to reach out to their end users and promote their products and solutions. So this has led to wide scale adoption of WhatsApp. But there's a struggle which is real, and that struggle is understanding the actual impact of those WhatsApp ads. Behind every dollar that a brand spends on WhatsApp marketing, how much are they actually getting in return? So that's one of the big challenges that we've observed. Number five, leveraging customer data to implement personalized segmentation strategies. We've seen a lot of organizations these days use multiple SaaS platforms. It could be ERPs, it could be POS systems, it could be CRMs, or it could be CCaaS platforms. So what this means really is there's a lot of customer data that is residing in silos in these multiple systems. The brands that we spoke to often highlighted this, that there's a challenge when it comes to unifying all of that data in a single platform. There are multiple benefits of unifying all that data in a single platform. You can know your customers better. You can leverage transactional data, behavioral data, geographical data, and also engagement data to implement personalized strategies. So this is one of the emerging challenges that we've seen in the market with regards to marketing processes. The last challenge that we've seen is driving repeat business. How does a brand actually increase the lifetime value of a customer? How does a brand make sure that the customer keeps on visiting the e-commerce store or the physical retail store? With the lack of personalization and lack of data driven strategies, it's very difficult to engage with customers in a meaningful way. So, those were the challenges that we saw in the market when we spoke to multiple brands. But we did not stop at that. We spoke to multiple end users as well. In fact, we commissioned a survey where we spoke to 1,000 plus professionals across the MENA region. And the results we found were really amazing. So basically, the survey that we did was to understand the preferences of consumers when it comes to engaging with a brand. So some of the insights that we got were 80% of people define personalization as offers tailored to their interest. 65% of consumers prefer to receive promotions over WhatsApp when compared to email, SMS, and other social media channels. Two-thirds of the people that we spoke to consented to a brand storing their personal information if used to personalize offers and services. All right, so we understood the perspective of the brands and we understood the perspective of end customers as well. Now, to meet the expectations of the end consumers and to solve the specific challenges for the brands, we've launched a conversational marketing solution. I would quickly like to highlight top 4 use cases that are enabled by the conversational marketing solution. Use case number 1 is paid digital ads optimization. Unifonic sends signals back to Meta, the signals that are created on our platform, so that Meta can create lookalike audiences and further boost the conversion rate for her ad. The second use case is ads that click to WhatsApp. This is where organizations use WhatsApp as a call to action to initiate customer conversations in real time. The third use case that I want to highlight is around true personalization on chatbot. An AI powered chatbot goes a long way in personalizing and tailoring the entire experience, thereby enabling customer delight. And the fourth use case, which I wouldn't say a use case, it's basically one of the big launches that we've done, is the audience, which is actually a customer data platform. This is a place where you can get a 360-degree customer insight. This is where you can unify all the customer data across multiple platforms and use that and implement that to profile customers, to segment customers, and enable personalized experiences.
Thank you, Heman. I'm Rafael Helves, product manager at Unifonic. So yeah, as you know, guys, the weight of personalization nowadays has changed, and this is why we release our new product that is called Audience. And why Audience is helping the organizations right now? Because as we know, there are a lot of interactions between the users and the companies. How this is how what we call touch points or events. So all of this data that we collect in the day to day, it's helping us to create a 360 view of each customer, and at the end help you to do better segmentation, hyper personalization, to at the end achieve the goal, which is to increase your ROI in your campaigns, either via WhatsApp or even ads. Now I will show you a quick demo of our platform. In this case, you will see the 4 main pillars of our audience product. And again, you feel free to ask any question at the end. In audience, you will be able to see the first thing is events. So as I mentioned before, events is nothing else than every touch point that is happening between the brand and the user. Examples of this can be a purchase in the retail store, a purchase in the e-commerce, an abandoned car, even query for a specific product. All of this data will be collected in our platform that you can easily go and configure with full flexibility, where you can map and associate every interaction, not only the interaction itself, but also the data. What is the data, the email, the phone, or even the name? It depends on what type of data you want to collect, which at the end will help us to enrich those profiles. And the other thing is you can send the data either via API or either via uploading files, in case you don't want to have everything in real time.
The second stage is the new segmentation. So segmentation, it's the place where once you have the data collected in the platform and then we associate those ones to a profile, you will be able to segment the data not only based on the number or the gender, but also going beyond and based on the behavior. What does it mean? That you are able, as we are showing in this example, that you can create segments based on the interactions or based on the events. In this example, we have the a purchase event. So you are able to create a segment for the customers that you consider are VIP. Which are those customers? The customers that try to purchase from your brand at least 5 times, and the amount of each purchase is in this case 1,000 Saudi riyals. What does it mean? That you will have automatically in seconds segmented your data. So through all the touchpoints and all the interactions, at the end we will create a specific segment for you that you can use later on in our campaign module. The third point is the 360 view that I mentioned before. In this case, you are able to see all the list of contacts that were created, again, thanks to the touch points or data that was shared by integrating your external system with the Unifonic platform. And there you will be able to see all the profile with all the information like attributes, identifiers, basic information, which is enriched based on the data collected. And even we have the section that is called events. That section of events in the profile is where you will see every interaction and every touch point that was assigned and collected for this specific user. Outside of that, we also include the properties that were collected in the event. Properties, again, like name, like phone, like email, or even information about the products that the user is inquiring. So in this case, the platform gives you a full flexibility of the contacts that even you can also upload via Excel file. The latest one is the dashboards. So dashboards are important because we know you as a customer of Unifonic needs to have visibility on what is happening with your data, how many touch points or how many information you are collecting. So here you will be able to see all the events, all the profiles, and even the sessions that were created in each of those interactions. You will have a timeline-based information that you are able to track and make decisions based on that. So that's the most important thing of this specific section, which is we empower you as a user to make decisions. All of this in real time. The second stage is the ads performance, where you will be, thanks to the integration we have with Meta, you will be able to see all the ads and how those ads have been enriched with the data from Unifonic. So this is in a nutshell on what are the features that we are launching with our audience product and what is the key benefits of the product as of now. The last one, the other thing I want to discuss is audience itself, to have a summary of each of the discussions and the demo that I just showed you before. So we have four main pillars. The first one is we want to help you to unify the data from multiple sources. The second one is again all this data that we receive from different touch points, and we unify, we generate a 360 degree view of your customers. The third one is targeting and segmentation. Again, we know hyper-personalization is key nowadays for the brands, and we are helping you to do this segmentation based on the data that was collected and this 360 view profile. The last one is hyper-personalization now, because as you can create better segmentation, you are able to target the right people at the right time.
Now let's have a look at some of the top features we've released recently. Number one, ads that click to WhatsApp. So ads that click to WhatsApp are basically ads that you run on Instagram and Facebook that click to a WhatsApp chatbot. Now there are multiple benefits of adopting this approach. Some of the benefits that I want to highlight today are: number one, you can easily target high converting audience very effectively. You can generate first party data. You can drive higher ROAS and conversion rates. You can easily track the conversions and you can attribute conversion to the spends that you do on the digital ads. Unifonic is very tightly integrated with Meta. Unifonic will be able to demonstrate the actual ROI at an ad level. Next is the enhancements that we've done to our multi-channel campaign platform. And one of the biggest enhancements that we've done is the introduction of carousel templates. So carousel templates are basically multi-product templates that you can surface on your WhatsApp thread. And there are various benefits of using this. In a single message, you are able to surface multiple products from your catalog. Interacting with a carousel template is very intuitive. And we've seen a higher conversion rate for carousel templates. Another major enhancement that we've done to our multi-channel campaigns platform is the introduction of ROI dashboard. Now, the ROI dashboard combines all the important KPIs that marketers care about in a single unified dashboard. If it's about awareness level KPIs like clicks and impressions, which are created on digital platforms like Instagram and Facebook, or it could be engagement KPIs like number of chats, customer sentiments, or it could be conversion level KPIs like actual number of purchases, the amount of purchase, etc. All of that can be combined in a single easy to use dashboard. So you as a marketer will get a single view and you'll get end-to-end view of the performance of your marketing campaigns. And the final update that we've done to our conversational marketing solution is a tighter integration with local e-commerce platform Sala. So we've added multiple actions and triggers which you can see on the screen. So these multiple actions and triggers can be leveraged to create different workflows and engage with customers in a more personalized and contextual way.
I'm Karim Yassin, Senior Product Marketing at Unifonic, in charge of conversational AI for customer support. Let's start by discussing the key challenges that many customer support teams face today and the expectation of consumers. First, customers expect quick, personalized responses across multiple channels 24/7. This can be difficult to maintain with traditional support model. Additionally, the fragmented system and inefficient tool can create frustrating experience both for customer and agent. Finally, ensuring security while providing quick support remains a significant challenge. Our consumer research revealed that 4 out of people are dissatisfied with after-sales support, identifying easier access to support as top area for improvement. Most consumers expect 24/7 year-round support from brands and believe that AI chatbot play a crucial role in meeting this demand. However, 63% prefer human interaction for customer support, even if it means waiting 10 to 15 minutes for a response. The partial mistrust is evident that all chatbots are created equal, and the business need to give a time and attention to both selecting the right chatbot and crafting a well-thought-out journey for customers that include the human element. A sizable segment are, however, open to AI chatbot, highlighting their growing potential in enhancing customer service. Trust in AI-driven customer support is substantial, with 3 out of 5 of people expressing confidence in these tools, favoring web chat 55% and chat apps like WhatsApp 42% as primary interaction channel. Unifonic conversational AI solution can help to address the challenges mentioned earlier and help customer support leaders not only meet but exceed consumer expectations by providing AI-driven omnichannel support solution which enhance customer interaction by facilitating seamless communication across various channels. It equips businesses with AI-driven automation tool to orchestrate seamless communication across chat, email, and social media. AI chatbot to offer round-the-clock support. Agent console to take over complex queries seamlessly and maintain human element in easy-to-engage chat channel. And the complete insight into interaction from business messaging to chatbot and agent engagement performance. Together, this capability will help to speed response time, lowering operational costs, increase agent performance and satisfaction, improving the quality of support system through actionable insights, automating scaling customer support operation, maintaining security of your contact center and customer support ecosystems. So let's see how it all fits together. Our AI-powered multi-channel support system seamlessly connects end user with businesses, enhancing customer interaction at every touch point. We start on the left with end user who can access support through multiple communication channels like WhatsApp Messenger, web chat, email, SMS voice, or even push notification. CC channels allow the user to reach out in most convenient way for them. At the heart of the system is the AI chatbot, which automate all these customer interaction. This chatbot handles common inquiries in real time, delivering personalized responses and reducing response time. However, when the query becomes more complex, the system transit to human agent through human handover feature. Now, this is where the live agent console come into play. This console allows Live Agent to take over with full access to all contexts of conversation, the user detail, history, and preferences. It ensures that the agent is fully equipped to handle the interaction. So the user receives exactly the support that they need without having to repeat themselves. Supporting the agent, we have Agent Analytic, which track key metrics like average handling time, first response time. This enables the business to improve performance and efficiency, driving better customer satisfaction over the time. On the back end, orchestration and authentication handle user authentication and message coordination, ensuring the right message reach to right customer securely. In parallel, audience, a key heart of conversational support solution, enable businesses to provide tailored response by analyzing past interaction and customer data. Finally, the platform integrates with over 100 tools and platform, including CRM, marketing automation platform, and other essential business tools, allowing seamless data flow and management. This integration empowers businesses to respond quickly and effectively across the channel, ensuring consistent, high-quality customer experience every time. In the end, this system works together to create efficient customer service experience and highly adaptive to both user needs and business requirements.
Thank you, Karim, and hello, everyone. I'm Berina Halilovic, and I'm Senior Product Manager here at Unifonic for our Customer Care Engagement Solutions. And thank you for joining me today. I'm very excited to show you today how our multi-channel customer care offering can help you in automation of your customer journeys over different systems and platforms, all of that within different channels like SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, web chat, and others. So let's start. Our platform natively integrates with multiple channels, providing businesses with full access to channel settings and configurations. For example, let's take WhatsApp. You can monitor key details like number quality, status, and tier limits directly within the platform. On top of that, you'll have the ability to manage templates and track their statuses seamlessly. This all works in tandem with Unifonic's AI chatbot, which operates across these channels to deliver a seamless and efficient customer experience. The chatbot comes with an advanced set of widgets that's going to make your integrations smooth and effortless. You can also implement customer satisfaction surveys to collect valuable feedback and reviews through chatbot. With integration support of over 100 add-ons, including different e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and much more, the solution ensures you can gather and leverage customer information efficiently to enhance communication and engagement. Additionally, you can integrate multiple channels such as Messenger while maintaining a consistent chatbot experience across all platforms. Notifications can be sent directly from the integration, and automation capabilities allow seamless communication between your systems and your customers via add-ons. When it comes to more complex queries or unclear queries, human agents can as well step in effortlessly. For example, let's take the logistics industry. If a customer has a need to change their location for a delivery, and the chatbot is not able to address their query, then the live agent console will be able to enable your team to take over. Chats can be transferred smoothly between agents based on their expertise, whether it's from a manager to a team member, from an English speaker to Arabic speaker, or even from a technical expert to a marketing professional. Performance tracking is also built into the system, enabling you to measure key metrics like average response time and SLA adherence. Plus, all chat histories are retained for future review and compliance, ensuring transparency and accountability. Unifonic's conversational AI solution is designed to deliver an exceptional customer experience while optimizing for efficiency in your business. Thank you for joining me today to explore how Unifonic's technology can elevate your customer support.